Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Argovis tutorial series. In this episode, we will explore the drawing capabilities of Argovis and how they can be used to select regions of interest. The ability to draw an arbitrary polygon and get data within that shape is one of Argovis's best qualities. It's a feature that I think will be used by other apps in the future. After watching this video, you will be lassoing profiles by region, depth, and date in no time. We will see just how useful this selection tool can be when we discover a possible error in profile measurement. Let's get started. We begin by clearing the map and zooming into the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Japan. The leaflet map has a button that lets us draw rectangles here. The shape is drawn by holding down the left mouse button on the map and dragging the cursor to the opposite corner. Letting go of the mouse button completes the shape. Upon completion of a shape, a pop-up window is created. We can ignore this for now by removing the window by clicking on the top right corner. Don't worry, we'll go over what this window is soon enough. The yellow dots are the profiles that fall within the four corners of a spherical polygon. What does that mean? No, not a spherical penguin. A spherical polygon is a shape whose area buckles along a spherical contour. National borders are an example of spherical polygons. On paper, they may be flat, but in reality, they do follow the contours of the Earth, making them spherical polygons. Observe how dots appear outside the polygon when the shape is wider. It turns out we are living on a sphere, and the shape we draw on this projection is not accurate when we take into account the curve of the Earth. In reality, a spherical polygon has the lateral sides frown in the northern hemisphere and smile in the southern. The database that holds the profiles takes this into account, thus the discrepancy. This effect is mitigated by drawing shapes that cover less horizontal distance. Shapes can be altered using the Edit button. In a similar fashion, shapes can be deleted by clicking on this Garbage Can button. The Clear Map button will also remove shapes. The profiles are selected by a date range as well, shown here. For example, I can view profiles from December 2015. In addition to rectangles, we can draw polygons as well. You complete the polygon by returning to the original point. Now that we know how to select profiles, we can view the data. Remember those pop-ups? Those link you to a selection page view. You have the option of going to a page that slices the pressure range within this double slider, or view a page that is not limited by this slider. Upon opening the page, you are greeted by similar charts encountered in the profile tutorial, and the same table encountered in the platform video. Each trace color in this chart, and each row in this table, correspond to a profile within our shape selection. Do you see the dot outside the others? This can be investigated by clicking on the dot, which will take us to the profile page. Argo profiles undergo a quality control process that will label each sample dot with a marker. Argovis only keeps the highest quality control markers. Yet, we have seen now that some make it through from time to time. We should be suspicious of this outlier. And that's it. That's the episode. Next time, I will show you how to use the Python API to do the tasks covered in these tutorials. You will be able to access Argovis without the need of pointing and clicking in a browser. The API will automate these tasks for us. Thanks for listening, and good day.